Hi children, today we are going to learn 10th class, 5th chapter, that is quadratic equations, in that exercise number 5.2. This 5.2 exercise contains total 10 problems. So let us do these 10 problems in two parts. Okay, let us learn in this exercise that how to find the solutions of quadratic equations. Instead of telling solutions, we can say a perfect word, that is a roots of quadratic equations. What is meaning of roots? Here roots are not in the polynomial chapter. We find out the zeros. Either zeros or roots, in the sense same. There is no much difference. So normally we call the values which we get from the quadratic equation, they are called roots of the quadratic equation. So here we will solve the quadratic equation by using prime factorization method. It is also called as a splitting middle term method. This already we are familiar in our third chapter, polynomial chapter. So here let us solve the 5.2 first bit questions. The first bit questions here, we asked to solve the first bits. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. The first question is that x square minus 3x plus 10 equal to 0. Let us factorize this quadratic equation when we will find the value of x. So see that how can we factorize the quadratic equations? Simple, as I told you in the polynomial chapter, the first term and the last terms we have to multiply. X square into here it is minus 10. It becomes minus 10 x square. Minus 10 x square. So this 10 you write as a product of any two numbers. But if you add the two numbers, you have to get a middle term. Let us do it then. So it can be done as 2 5s are 10. X into x square. And let us put the minus here, suppose minus into place is minus. See, when you multiply these two terms, we are getting exactly here minus 10x square. Minus into plus minus, 2 5s are 10, x into x square. Now we have to think, if you add or subtract this, you have to get the middle term. If you add this both, you have to get the middle term. Let us do it. 5x minus 2x. 5x minus 2x is plus 3x. But here it is a minus x. So it is also, we should also think that where we have to keep a minus. So if you keep minus here, what happens? See, here 5x minus 2x is, we get plus 3x. But here is the middle term is the minus 3x. So exactly we have to get a middle term. So for that we have to keep minus here. Then plus should be here. Plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10, x into x square, and 2x minus 5x is minus 3x. It is balanced term. Now we can split this middle term as x square plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. So see that in these two terms we can take out x as a common factor. So x plus 2 will be left. In these two terms minus 5 we can take out common. If you take minus 5 as a common, then only we will get x plus 2 in the bracket. Here also. In both brackets we have to get same value. That is the condition. Why we have to get same? Because in the next step we can take the x plus 2 and x plus 2 common. Then x minus 5 will be left over. Here x, here minus 5. That x minus 5 will be left over. Then here x plus 2 equal to 0 and here x minus 5 equal to 0. This plus 2 transfer this side, that is minus 2. This minus 5 you transfer this side, that become a plus 5. And therefore x equal to minus 2 are plus 5. The roots of this quadratic equation is minus 2 are 5. So in this way we need to solve it. Okay, let us go for the second question in this. First with second question. Let us solve some more questions. Now here 2x square plus x plus 6. 2x square plus x plus minus 6 square. 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, let us multiply here first and last terms. 2 into 2x square into minus 6. 2 into minus 6 minus 12 x square. So this minus 12 x square we have to write product of any two numbers. How can we write? See, 3 or not you write here? Yes. 4 3s are 12. 3 4s are 4 3s are. However you write. 4 3s are 12. X into x square. Here plus x no, so we have to put minus 3. Here plus into minus 4 3s are 12. X into x square. 4x minus 3x is 1x. Balanced. So 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. In these two terms you see, not only x, we can also take 2 as a common factor. 2x we can take out common factor. In this 2x is left out. We took as a common. So x will be remains. The remainder will be x plus 2 2s are 4. Already x we took it common. So x plus 2. So whatever you take out common here, you have to get x plus 2 in the bracket. So only minus 3 we can take out common. If minus 3 came out, x will be left here. Minus into minus become plus. 3 2s are 6. Now we can do it. X plus 2 we can take out common factor. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now here x plus 2 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This x equal to minus 2 and here 2x equal to 3 minus 3 become a plus 3. Then here 2 you transfer other side, so x equal to 3 by 2. Therefore x equal to minus 2 or 3 by 2. Minus 2 or 3 by 2. I hope you understood how to split this. Here for 2-3 problems again I will tell you clearly how to write. Thereafter we will be going for splitting middle method directly. So observe that how we are splitting a middle term by factorization method. So we have gone through the question number 1 and question number 2. Now we go for question number 3 and question number 4. Let us solve all the questions so that you get understand that how we can solve the problems. Now we go for the question number 3, that is root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Here should not get you worried that here we got a root numbers like. So let us do the procedure same and we do it. Here root 2 into x square into 5 root 2. Okay, here 1 root 2, here 5 root 2. 1 into 5 root 2 into root 2 into root 2, that is root 4 value is 2. So 5 into 2 into x square. 5 into x square in the sense it is nothing but 10x square. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So already 5 is there. 5 into 2 is 10. So it is a 10x square. How can we write the 10x square? As a product of here 2 5s are 10. X into x square. When we add this both, we will get 7x. Balance now. Let us do it here. Root 2x square plus 2x. This 7x we are writing as a 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. In these two terms, what we can take out maximum common factor? What you can take out a common factor. Let us see that here, if possible, only take out only x first. Later will solve it. Only x you take out a common factor. Let us see what happens. If you take only x as a common factor, here you get a problem here. Then what we do it here? Let me go for a small thing. Here we write root 2x square plus this 2 I will write as a root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2, that is x, plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now from these two terms, see root 2 x we can take out common, root 2 and x we have taken a common. So here x square, out of x square 1x we took out common, one more x is left. plus 1 root 2 already came out, so root 2 will be left. 5 plus root 2. Now easily you can take out 5 as a common factor here. 5 already root 2 came out, so root 2 came out. Sorry, root 5 came out, so root 2 will be left. See, x plus root 2, x plus root 2. X plus root 2 you bring out the common now. See here, root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Then here easily we can do it. X plus root 2 equal to 0 and x equal to minus root 2. Minus 2. And here root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. In the sense here, this 5 you transfer this side, root 2x equal to minus 5. And this root 2 you transfer this side, x equal to minus 5 by root 2. Therefore, x equal to the roots of the given quadratic equation is minus root 2 or 5 by minus 5 by root 2. In the same way, let us go for the question number 4, that is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Now see that this we write as a by 1 and by 1. What will take it? Will take the LCM as a 8. So 8 as a LCM. So 1, how many is the 8 here? 1 8 is the 8. This 8 into numerator, 8 to the 16 x square. Here there is a minus, we put the minus. Again 1 8 is the 8. This 8 into numerator, 8 into x is 8x. Plus 8 1s are 8. This 1 into 1 is 1. So that equal to 0. This 8 you transfer this side, so 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. 8 into 0 will be 0. Now we will split the quadratic equation now. 16x square into 1, 16x square. This 16 will get by 4 4s are 16. X into x square, minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus 4 4 the 16x into x square. Minus 4x minus 8x. Balance yes. So 16x square minus 4x and minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Instead of this minus 8x we are writing as a minus 4x and minus 4x. So in these two terms you take out 4x as a common, because 16 and 4 will come in the same table in the 4 table. So 4x will take out common. Here 4 4 is 16 and already 1x we took it common, so 1 more x will be left. So completely this 4x we took it common, so 1 will be left. 4 4 is 16, x into x square, and minus here 4 1 is 4 into x 4x. Now what we have to take out common here to get 4x minus 1. Clearly? So only minus 1 you have to take out common. If minus came out, 1 into 4x is 4x, minus into minus plus 1 1 is 1. We get the same rule. So 4x minus 1 if you take out common, again 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So simply here 4x minus 1 equal to 0 and 4x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 4. Now here also same, 4x minus 1 equal to 0 and this minus 1 you transfer this side, x equal to 1 and 4x equal to 1 and x equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation x equal to only has 1 0, that is 1 by 4. Only has 1 0, that is 1 by 4. Now take a screenshot of this. We are going to wrap this now. We go for the next questions now. We go for the next questions. Now we go for question number 5 and question number 6. Let us see the question number 5 is 100x square minus 100x square minus 20x plus 1. 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So let us see that what we can take out common factor and how we can factorize this. Simple now. First 100x square into 1, that is 100x square. 100 can be written as, can you tell me? Here 25 4s are 100. 25 4s are 100. But 25 minus 4 will get 21. It will be not here. Yes, it will be not here. So, okay, we solve this. Simple. Let us go for this. 100 we factorize in this way so that we get 50 and 2 25s are and 5 5s. So here 5 to the 10 and 10. 10 tens are 100, no? In that way I will get 10 tens are 100 x into x square minus 20 we required, no? Both you keep a minus. Minus 10 minus 10 minus 20. 10 tens are 100 balanced. See, in that way we can balance. By factorizing you will get the what are the terms we have to take it here. I factorize this in this column. In further questions I will tell you that again. So first you have to learn the direct way. How can we get the a particular numbers what we have to take it here. So there will be alternate method also. I will tell you from first you take out 10x common factor from here. 10 tens are 100. So 10x minus 1 will be left. Complete 10x we took it common. So what we have to take out common here, so that 10x minus 1 you will get here. Simple minus 1 you have to take out common. See here 10x minus 1 and 10x minus 1. 10x minus 1 are 10x minus 1 equal to 0. 10x minus 1 we took it common. So here 10x and minus 1 is left. So 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 you transfer this side. 10x equal to 1 and 10 you transfer, so that x equal to 1 by 10. Similarly here also you get the same again. 10x minus 1 equal to 0 as 10x equal to plus 1, x equal to 1 by 10. X equal to 1 by 10. Therefore, the root of the given equation is 1 by 10. So, next we go for the question number 6. Okay, the question number 6 x of x plus 4. X of x plus 4 is equal to 12. So here you see the roots of this quadratic equation you write as a 1 by 10 comma 1 by 10 both. Then the before question also you write the same 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Here 1 by 10 comma 1 by 10 we have got it, no? In the before problem also we got the solution like a 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. You write same, both you have to write in the answers. But means it is the same root, but we have to repeat twice. So let us solve here. It's not in the form of quadratic equation, no. Let us write in the form of quadratic equation. X into x square, x into 4, that is 4x. This x is multiplying both the terms here. So let us multiply that equal to 12. This 12 you transfer this side. X square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. So let us multiply now. X square into minus 12, that is minus 12x square. Now we write that. How can we go? Like we get to 4. We have to get a 4, that here 2 6 are 12, x into x square and plus 4x we have to get, so minus 2x will write. Minus into plus, minus 2 6 are 12, x into x square, 6x minus 2x is plus 4x. So balance, that is balance, no, x square minus 2x plus 6x. This 4x we are splitting like minus 2x plus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. Now in these two terms and in these two terms, what we can take out common? X we can take out common here. So x minus 2 will be left. Here plus 6 will take out common. X minus 2 will be left here. 6 to the 12. So x minus 2 also. So x minus 2 of x plus 6 equal to 0. Then here x minus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 6 equal to 0. This minus 2 you transfer this side, x equal to 2 and here plus 6 you transfer, that is minus 6. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are 2r minus 6. 2r minus 6. Then we go for question number 7 and also question number 8. Question number 7 and question number 8 we will write. Then yes, 3x square minus 5x plus 2. 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Question number 7. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Plus 2 equal to 0. Let us split the middle terms by factorization method. See what we get actually 3 into 2 6, that is 6x square. Then how can you write here? See, we have to get no here 6. We write 6 ones are 6. X into x square minus 5x we know minus we write here. But see, we won't be getting like that. See, minus into plus will be minus will be getting here. It's not possible like that. So we get here 3 2s are 6. అవి తీసుకుంటే రావట్లేదు. సో వేరే తీసుకుందాం ఇప్పుడు. 3 2s are 6. X into x x square. Now minus and minus you both you keep it here, minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 x into x x square. ఇది వచ్చింది. ఈ రెండుని యాడ్ చేయండి. -3x -2x -3 -2 -5 బ్యాలెన్స్ అయింది కదా. అలా చూసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు x 3x square -3x -2x అంటే -5x ని -3x -2x గా రాసుకుంటున్నాం. +2 equal to 0. Now in these two terms and in these two terms, what we can take out? In these two terms we can take out 3x as a common factor. So x ఈ 3x మొత్తం వెళ్ళిపోయింది కదా, -1 ఉంటుంది. ఇందులో -2ని కామన్ తీయండి, x -1 ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. x -1 x -1 కామన్ తీసేస్తే 3x -2 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 ఉంటుంది. సో నా దిస్ x -1 ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ 3x -2 ఈక్వల్ టు కూడా 0 అవుతుంది. -1 నా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయండి, అది +1 అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ 3x ఈక్వల్ టు -2 becomes +2. This 3 you transfer now, x equal to 2/3. Therefore x equal to 1 or 2/3. 1 or 2/3. We have completed this now. Let's go for the eighth one. Eighth solution of this first bit, that is x minus 3/x. X minus 3/x equal to 2. So here we write x is not equal to 0 అని ఇస్తాం. x is not equal to 0 అంటే ఇక్కడ x 0 అవుతే ఏమవుతుంది, 3x/0 అవుతుంది. సారీ 3/0 అవుతుంది. x 0 అవుతే 3/0 అవుతుంది. x is not equal to 0 అని ఇచ్చింది. అంటే x 0 ఉండదు. x 0 అవుతే ఏమవుతుంది, ఈడ 0 అయిపోతుంది, ఈడ 0 అయిపోతుంది. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ కాదు, అందులో వేరియబుల్సే ఉండవు. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ x² ఉన్నా కూడా ఈ x 0 కాకూడదు. x 0 అవుతే క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ కాదు. సో నౌ యూ టేక్ ఏ LCM. 1 into x is x, x into x x square minus 1 3s are 3, that equal to 2. This x you transfer this side, x square minus 3 equal to 2x. This 2x you transfer this side. Now we write in the standard form, x square next to x term, that means -2x plus 2x become -2x and -3 equal to 0. You put this split together. So what you get here, x square minus 3, that is -3x square. And see that how can we write this 3, we write as a 3 1s are 3, x into x square, we are need minus, so -3x minus plus 1x, -3x plus 1x, that is -2x. Balance no, x square minus 3x plus 1x minus 3 equal to 0. So what to do it in this, x you take out common factor, x minus 3, and plus 1 you take out common factor, x minus 3 equal to 0. సార్ ఈ 3 టు ఈ 1 ఇట్ రాసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది, ఏం కాదు, మీరు ఎలా చేసినా కూడా సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. x minus 3, then if you take out common factor, x plus 1 equal to 0, then x minus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0. Here -3 you transfer this side, x equal to +3, plus 1 you transfer this side, so x equal to -1. Therefore x equal to -1 or 3. The solution is given. That means the roots of this quadratic equation is -1 and 3. Let's go for the ninth question and last question of this first bit. That is 3 of x minus 4. 3 of x minus 4 whole square is equal, minus 5 of x minus 4 equal to 12. So here 3 into x square, a minus b whole square form. Here a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula, no? So let us write here x square minus 2 into a, it is x, and b it is a 4 plus 4 square. We have written in a minus b whole square expanded form. Minus 5 into x is 5x, minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20 equal to 12. Minus 5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ 5 తో కాదు, -5 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, గుర్తుంచుకోండి ఈ రెండు టర్మ్స్. సో హియర్ 3 into it is a x square minus 2 4s are 8 into x plus 4 square is 16 minus 5x plus 20. Okay, this minus 12 also will bring this side, sir. Plus 12 will bring this side, that minus 12 equal to 0. Then 3 into x square, 3x square minus 3 8s are 24 into x plus here 3 16s are 48 minus 5x here 20 minus 12 is 8 equal to 0. Okay, then here 3x square minus 24x minus 5x, that is minus 29x, 48 plus 8, that is plus 56 equal to 0. Now what can we do it? Let us factorize this 3x square minus 29x plus 56. See that, let us factorize this now. By factorizing we get like, by factorizing 3 into 56, 3x square into 56. So 3 6 are 18, 1 cap. 3 5 are 15 plus 1, 16, 168. This 168. That is x square, 168 x square. So 168 x square, how to write the product of two numbers now? So in that case if you don't know, ఎలా రాయాలో తెలియకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి? 168 తీసుకొని 2 తో ఫ్యాక్టర్ చేయండి, 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 తో పోతుంది కదా, 4 2s are, ఇంకా చేయండి 2 21s are and 3 7s are. నా ఇప్పుడు వీటిని మల్టిఫై అంటే ఒక వేలో మల్టిఫై చేసుకొని ఒక రెండు నంబర్స్ను రాబట్టుకోవాలి. ఇలా లైన్గా కాదు, 2 into 2 into 2 that is 8, 21. ఇలా ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిఫై చేస్తే 21 వస్తుంది, 3 7s are. ఈ మూడింటిని మల్టిఫై చేస్తే 8 వస్తుంది, 2 into 2 into 2 8, 21 and 8 రెండింటిని కలిపితే 29. ఓకే, బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇవే కదా. సో మనకి ఇవి యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఒకవేళ ఇలా డైరెక్ట్గా కూడా రాకపోవచ్చు, అప్పుడు ఈ నంబర్స్ని ఇట్లా ఒక 2 3 టైమ్స్ 2 3 వేస్లో ట్రై చేస్తే మనకి ఎగ్జాక్ట్ నెంబర్స్ వచ్చేస్తాయి. Instead of trying and studying at one time, one place, it will be a better method. Okay, now we go for that. Here 21 8s are 168 definitely, and x into x square here minus 29 no, at both you keep at a minus. Now I am going to write this. Let us see what we will do it here. 3x square, this is minus 29x, we can write as a minus 21x minus 8x plus 56 equal to 0. Minus 29x ని ఎట్లా అంటే రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్, 15 plus 14 గా, 15 minus 14 minus 15 గా రాసుకోవచ్చు అంటే అట్లా రాసుకోవద్దు. ఇది మెథడ్, ఇది సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తేనే కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. సో ఇన్ దిస్ టూ టర్మ్స్ 3x కామన్ తీసేయండి, సో x minus 7 will be there. So minus 8 if you take out common, x minus 8 7s are 56. So x minus 7 equal to 0. Where x minus 7 are 3x minus 8 equal to 0. Here x minus 7 equal to 0, where x equal to plus 7. 3x minus 8 equal to 0, where 3x equal to 8, x equal to 8 by 3. Therefore the solution x equal to 7 or 8 by 3. 7 or 8 by 3. See the questions. Now we have completed all these first bit questions of the exercise number 5.2. Now we go for all the word problems from this exercise number 5.2. So we go for the word problems now. Already the video became 28 minutes. So let us solve 3 problems now. Till 4th question we will discuss in this part 1 of the 5.2. The remaining questions we will discuss in the part 2. So here the second question of this 5.2 exercise. Yes, see the question clearly now. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. అంటే రెండు నంబర్స్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పుడైతే ఆ రెండు నంబర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తే 27 వస్తుంది, ఆ రెండు నంబర్లని మల్టిఫై చేస్తే 182 వస్తుంది. సో ఆ రెండు నంబర్స్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఆర్ ద టూ నంబర్స్? వీ డోంట్ నో ద టూ నంబర్స్. సో లెట్ us assume, మనం అనుకుందాం, let us assume that the number, the first number the first number is like a x. The first number become a x. Then the second number is the second number let us assume like a y. No, the second number will be 27 minus x. Why 27 minus x? When you add the two numbers we are getting 27, no? If one of the number is x, the second number will be 27 minus x. If one of the number is 10, the next number will be what? 17 you can say. How you get the second 17 here? Here 27 minus this 10, that is equal to 7. If first number is 20, the second number we know that is 7. How? Here 27 minus this 20 will get 7. Alage, here the first number is x, the second number is 27 minus x. 27 minus x. So according to the sum now, when we add this both, we are getting a 27. The product of these two numbers. Now according to the problem, R0 you mention what here, sum of the two numbers is equal to 27. Sum of two numbers equal to 27. You mention it. That's better. Now you can cover all the terms. Now according to the problem, the product of two numbers equal to 180. What are the two numbers here? One number is x, product. So into the second number is 27 minus x, that equal to 180. X into 27, that is 27x, minus x into x, that is x square, that equal to 180. Here x square term is minus, no? All these two terms also will transfer to the other side. So x square become a positive there. We write in the standard form. The minus x square it one will say plus x square. Plus 27x not one period, minus 27x. Already 182 it over there, plus 182 equal to 0. So that's what. Yes. Now we go for the splitting of the terms. Here x square into 182, that is 182 x square. Now let us write the 182. How we can write the 182? Let us write here 182 will split it. Factorize it ఒకసారి ఈజీగా తెలుసుకుందాం. So 2 9s are and 1s are. And how we get the 91? That in the 3 table we get? No. So 13 table. 13 7s are 7 13s are, however. So 13 7s are 91. So finish now. See this 2 into 7 we get 14. 2 into 7 we get a 14 and here 30. 14 into 13 exactly 182. X into x square. When you add this both we get 27. That means here minus 27 we require, no? Both you put a minus into minus, plus 14 into 13 182 x into x square. When you add this both we get minus 27. So x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 equal to 0. In these two terms, x you take out common factor, x minus 14 will be left, minus 13 you take out common, again x minus 14 will be equal to 0. You don't multiply చేసుకొని మళ్ళా మీకు ఇది వస్తుంది. సో కామన్ తీయడం నేర్చుకోండి ఫస్ట్. సో x minus 14 కామన్ తీయడం ఎలా నేను ముందే చెప్పాను చాలా సార్. సో x minus 3 equal to 0. Now here we can write the factors like x minus 14 is equal to 0 and x minus 13 equal to 0. So this minus 14 you transfer the side, x equal to 14. This minus 13 you transfer the side, x equal to 13. So what are the two numbers? Therefore the two numbers are 13 and 14. 13 and 14. So we have completed the second question. Very easy. Okay. Then we go for the third question now. We go for a third question and we'll complete the third question now. We complete the third one. So the question number 3. Let us see that what is the question number 3. Find the two consecutive positive integers. Find two consecutive positive integer. Consecutive అంటే ఏంటి? Consecutive in the sense the immediate number. ఇప్పుడు 3 ఉంటే immediate number 4. 4 ఉంటే 5, 6 ఉంటే 7 అలా కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ నెంబర్ అంటాం. అంటే నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ని కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ నెంబర్ అంటాం. ఫైండ్ 2 కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ నెంబర్స్. ఫైండ్ 2 కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్. పాజిటివ్ని నెగిటివ్ కాదన్నాడు. ఫైండ్ 2 కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్. The sum of whose squares is 630. The sum of whose squares are 630. Let us know that what are the 2 consecutive integers first. We don't know. తెలుసా అవి తెలియదు. So let us assume that ఒకసారి అనుకుందాం. ఏమనుకుందాం? The 2 consecutive integers are the 2 consecutive positive integers are integers are ఒకటి x అనుకుందాం and the other one x plus 1 అనుకుందాం. అంటే x plus 1 consecutive integers అవుతాయి. So then we go for, as given the question, that the sum of whose squares are according to the problem now. According to the sum or according to the problem, the sum of whose squares is 630. Whose sum of whose squares is equal to 630. అంటే సమ్ అంటే ప్లస్, whose numbers అంటే ఈ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్, స్క్వేర్స్ అంటే వాటిని స్క్వేర్స్ చేయండి. హియర్ x స్క్వేర్ అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ x plus 1 whole square. ఆ రెండింటిని స్క్వేర్ చేస్తాం. సమ్ దట్ మీన్స్ సమ్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ ప్లస్. whose squares they have done the square that equal to what? 630. సింపుల్. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని సింప్లిఫై చేద్దాం. now it is in the form of like a plus b whole square that equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Let us write it as a x square plus, you expand this in the a plus b whole square from, directly we will write x square plus 2 into x into 1 that is 2x plus 1 square value is 1 that equal to 630. This 630 you transfer this side, x square plus x square that is 2x square. X square plus x square 2x square plus here this is 2x here plus 1 minus 630 equal to 0. Now here 1 minus 630 is 612. So 2x square plus 2x minus 612 equal to 0. Now 2 you take out common factor in this, x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. This 2 you transfer this side, what will be left over? See, x square plus x minus 306 equal to 0 by 2. 0 by 2 అంటే 0 నే కదా. సో రాదా ఇప్పుడు x square minus plus x minus 306 equal to 0. ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఫ్యాక్టర్ చేయాలి. ఎలా చేయాలి? we'll find out the roots. Simple. x square into minus 306 that is minus 306 x square. ఓకే రాసేస్తాం. సో మరి ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఈ 306 ని ఇలా చేద్దాం ఒకసారి. 306 2 15s are 30 and 2 3s are 6 and 153 no 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s. So okay ఎలా రాస్తాం 51 ని. సో here 7 13 26 then we get 51 we get in the 17 3s are 51. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. సో 17 we write 3 3s are 9 9 to the 18 3 3s are 9 9 to the 18 and 17 18 comma 17 18 to 17 subtract this one వస్తుంది కదా. yes 1x వస్తుంది. సో సింపుల్, you take it now here 18 and here 17 x into x square plus here plus 1x we require. Here also minus is there, so minus you put it as small. 18x minus 17x is plus 1x. Here plus into minus is minus 18 into 17 306 x into x square. So x square plus 18x minus 17x minus 306 equal to 0. ఈ 1x ని ఇలా రాసుకున్నాం 18x minus 17x. సో ఇందులో నుంచి మనం ఏం చేద్దాం x కామన్ చేద్దాం. x plus 18 here minus 17 you take out common, we get x plus 18 is equal to 0. Okay. So x plus 18 you take out common, x minus 17 equal to 0. So it's simple here, x plus 18 equal to 0 and x minus 17 equal to 0. Plus 18 you transfer this side, that is minus 18, minus 17 you transfer the side, that become plus 17. Therefore x equal to minus 18 and 17. What are the, therefore you write now, what are the minus 18 and here plus 17. So we have to take only a positive integers now. So here let us see that minus 17 no, minus 17 becoming plus 17, plus 18 becoming minus 18. So here we have to take only positive integers. పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ అంటే మైనస్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకోవద్దు, అంటే ప్లస్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలి. సో ప్లస్ నెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే తీసుకోవాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఈ మైనస్ 18 ప్లస్ 18 అనుకోవాలి. ఓన్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఏ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్, పాజిటివ్ అన్నాడు. సో ప్లస్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. దేర్ఫోర్ ద టూ కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ positive integers are 18 and 17 or 17 and 18, 17 and 18 అని రాయాలి. కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ కదా అంటే ఆర్డర్లో ఉండాలి. 17 18, these are the two consecutive integers. These are two consecutive integers. And the question number fourth one and the last one of this, take a screenshot. సింపుల్, చాలా సింపుల్గా ఉంటాయి క్వశ్చన్స్. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడం ఎలా ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ మెథడ్లో అది తెలుసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఇంకా చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తాం మనం ఇదే మెథడ్లో. సో ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి ఏ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి అనేది. సో యూ గో ఫర్ దట్ నౌ. ద ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ రైట్ యాంగిల్, సో రైట్ ట్రయాంగిల్, ద ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ రైట్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఈజ్ 7 centimeter less than its base, 7 centimeter less than its base. The hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. Find the other two sides. Find the other two sides. In right angle triangle, the altitude 7 centimeter less than its base. Altitude is 7 centimeter less than its base. First of all, మనకు బేస్ ఎంత ఉన్నదో తెలియాలి కదా. Let us assume first మనం బేస్ ఎంత ఉన్నదో అనుకుందాం. Let us assume that ఏం తెలియాలి ముందు, ఆ రైట్ ట్రయాంగిల్లో the base of the right triangle, the base of a right angled triangle, right angled triangle is x centimeter on the base. Then the altitude of right angled triangle, the altitude of right angled triangle is 7 centimeter less than it. So 7 centimeter less than its base, 7 centimeter less than its base. Okay, 7 centimeter less than it, so minus 7, base is what, x, minus 7, so x minus 7 centimeters. So the hypotenuse of the right triangle, the hypotenuse of right angled triangle, the hypotenuse of right angled triangle is 13 centimeter. Simple. Now let me draw you a diagram here to be understand clearly. This is a base, it will be x centimeter. Now it is a altitude, it is a x minus 7 centimeter, and it is a hypotenuse, that is 13 centimeter. Now here it is a 90 degrees. Now we have to find out these two sides. Now we have to find out these two sides. Now when you get a right angle triangle, always we have to apply a Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, this is what, the square of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. The sum of the squares of sum and squares of these two sides, the squares and their sums will be equal to square of the hypotenuse. So Here base square plus altitude square equal to hypotenuse square. The square of the hypotenuse equal to sum and the squares of other two sides. Base square in the sense x square as we assume, plus altitude in the sense x minus 7 whole square, that also we have assumed. Hypotenuse already given, that is 13, it is square, 13 square. So x square plus it is a minus b whole square form. A minus b whole square form in the sense x square minus 2 into a is x and b it is 7 plus x square, that is 7 square, that is equal to 13 square is 169. 1x square plus 1x square, that is 2x square, minus 2 into 7 minus 14 into 8, that is minus 14x, plus 7 square is 49. This 169 you transfer this side, that is minus 169 equal to 0. Now let us factorize this. Now let us see 2x square minus here 14x 149 minus 49. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 16 minus 4 is 12. 120 equal to 0. Now 2 you take out common factor in the two table lo vastayi. 2, 14, 120. So it is x square minus it is 7 times. So for 7x 2 into x square 2x square. 2 into 7 14 and 2 into 60, that is 120 equal to 0. ఈ 2 ని ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేసేయండి, ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు అది 0 అయిపోతుంది. 0/2 బికమ్ 0. సో x square minus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. Now how can we x square into minus 60, that is minus 60 x square. Here we can write 5 12 12 5 are 60. X into x square. So here minus కావాలి కదా, so you put here minus before the 12. 5 minus 12 is minus 7x. 5x minus 12x is minus 7x. Plus into minus minus 12 5 is 60. X into x square. Balance no. So x square minus plus 5x minus 12x minus 60 equal to 0. In these two terms, x you take out common factor x plus 5 and minus 12 you take out common factor x plus 5 equal to 0. Then x plus 5 you take out common factor, so x minus 12 will be equal to 0. Then we get x plus 5 equal to 0 and x minus 12 equal to 0. This plus 5 you transfer, that is minus 5. This minus 12 you transfer, that equal to plus 12. Therefore we need to find now, see we have to find out the base and altitude. The base and altitude of the the base and altitude of this right angle triangle, but either base or altitude, whatever the base and altitude, other two sides no. Base is nothing but a distance, altitude is nothing but a distance. Distance will never calculate in the negative. Ante ee x, but you can write here, but x is not equal to minus 5. Ante x అనేది minus 5 గా ఉండకూడదు. ఈ బిఫోర్ ప్రాబ్లం ఆల్సో టూ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ అన్నాం, x ఈక్వల్ టు minus 18 వచ్చింది. బట్ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అన్నప్పుడు minus 18 వచ్చింది కదా, ఆ x ను కూడా ఇలా రాసుకున్నాం. x ఈక్వల్ టు x నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 18 అని రాయాలి. ఎందుకు, మనం ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో పాజిటివ్ అని అడిగాడు బిఫోర్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 3లో. సో అందుకే x ఈక్వల్ టు minus 18 కాదు కనుక ప్లస్ 17 తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 17, నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఇస్ 17 ప్లస్ 1, దట్ ఈస్ 18. అందుకే 17, 18 అని రాశాను అందులో. దేర్ఫోర్ అది డైరెక్ట్గా రాశాను. సో యూ జస్ట్ మాడిఫై అది. ఎలా మాడిఫై చేస్తారు, x ఈజ్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 18 అని రాయాలి. ఎందుకు, నెగిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ అంటే. పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ ఏంటి, ఓన్లీ 17. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇదే ఒకటి 17 అయితే x ఈక్వల్ టు 17 అయితే x ప్లస్ 1 ఈక్వల్ టు 18, అందుకే 17, 18. ఇక్కడ కూడా చూడండి, ఇక్కడ బేస్ అండ్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ బోత్ ఆర్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్స్, నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ డిస్టెన్స్. డిస్టెన్స్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు డిస్టెన్స్, స్పీడ్, టైమ్ విల్ నెవర్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఇన్ నెగిటివ్. నెగిటివ్లో క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయం. యూ కెనాట్ సే దట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ వాక్డ్ minus 2 kilometers, I walked minus 3 kilometers, the time was minus 7 hours, the speed is minus 50 kilometers per hour అని చెప్తాం, చెప్పకూడదు. సో ద స్పీడ్, డిస్టెన్స్, టైమ్ విల్ నెవర్ బీ ఇన్ ద నెగిటివ్. సో whenever you get the negative things like that, you have to eliminate. That means should not take it, you have to neglect it. So So the positive things is only 12. The positive thing only 12. So x equal to only 12. Then if x equal to 12, then the base equal to, therefore base of the right angle triangle is 12 centimeter. Then altitude equal to x minus 7 centimeter, no? X minus 7, no? Here x equal to 12. So 12 minus 7 centimeter. 12 minus 7 is what? 5 centimeter. Therefore, the altitude of the right angle triangle is 5 centimeter. The base of the right angle triangle is 12 centimeter. Therefore, the right. So, fourth question work right. So, remaining from question number 5 to 10, remaining 6 questions will be discussed in our next video. Okay, till that time keep practicing this and learn that how to factorize the given quadratic equation. So, how to find out the roots of quadratic equation we have learned so far. Again, we will learn some more problems that in our next video. Till that time, keep learn and keep practicing. Thank you.